Happy Monday, guys. What is up? Today, I kind of want to try bleach brow look. I normally don't like a bleach brow look on me. We're gonna try it and see if I can make me like it. So first, we always have to prime our faces. That's like important, especially in the summertime. Because it's summer, I'm not going to be putting foundation on because it is so hot. I can't. I'm lazy. I'm a lazy bitch. Me, lazy. I'm just gonna contour, and then I'm really unsure if I'm going to cover my circles from lack of sleep. I think I might just let those hang out. I know it's about time to wash this beauty blender. Probably maybe next week. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I guess it kind of should. I literally had such a long night last night that I've been in bed like all day today. And my voice is probably blah from screaming on the rides. Oh my gosh. Like my throat, it feels so scratchy right now, so voice is kind of weird. But anyway, I've been in bed like all day today. And I'm still tired, and my eye bags are terrible, so I actually might cover them up. We might make it look like I'm a functional adult who gets the proper amount of sleep. I'm just gonna put like a little bit right here, and I guess a little on the nose. And I really need to clean the beauty blender that I use to blend my concealer out, so I'm not using that. I'm gonna use my fingers. And I used to blend out all of my makeup with my fingers, and I feel like that was when my makeup looked like amazing, like perfect. But it's so messy. I had to do it in the bathroom so I could just like immediately wash my hands after I tapped all of the stuff into it. I feel like I'm gonna put like a very small amount of blush on today, like not the amount that I normally go with, just like a little bit up here. I'm trying to like blend it out without making it look so much. Like I feel like that's almost the normal amount of blush that I go with, but it's fine. I did my best. I tried. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put way too much powder on my face. Okay, so I know I said that I'm doing a bleach brow, and I'm about to put brown on my eyebrows, but trust me on this, I feel like this is gonna make me look less stupid. Summer has definitely been my like lazy season right now because I usually take my tails off, and I've just been letting them chill there lately. The tails of my eyebrows. I also have like 2 different concealers, and I think I usually use this light one, but I think I'm gonna go with the darker one this time. I feel like this is more like a blondie color. I may be messing it up by doing this. Also, ignore the fact that it's gross. I don't know why every time I open this, it just starts to leak out. Doesn't matter. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on a spoolie. Just put it on my hair. Yeah, I think I like this color more. Okay, getting it on the front of the brow is kind of easy. Getting on like the tail of my brow, so I don't know why it doesn't want to go. We'll see when I get my whole makeup together. I'm gonna trust the process, because right now I'm like, I feel like it's still kind of blending in, but you know what? I am also going to add some freckles. I feel like freckles are gonna make me feel kind of sort of a little bit cute. My favorite way to put on freckles is to just like randomly throw dots on with my little end of a mermaid tail and just take my finger to it. I smudged it a little bit and just kind of tap it on so that it looks all kind of, you know, like freckles. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker concealer, and like the freckles that I already have here and here, just gonna put it on a darker color. Now, usually when I see people do a bleach brow, look, they're doing like a black smoky eye, and I kind of want to do like a browny, dirty, punky smoky eye look. I'm literally dipping into this color and putting it on, and it looks like it's kind of gray, which is fine, I guess. I'm gonna put like a brown color over top of it, but looking a little gray. You know, I actually don't mind it just like this, but like, I'm gonna see if maybe I add this color. Oh. Yep. Okay, getting this brown on my eyelashes is making me kind of wish I had like a brown mascara, well, mostly brown falsies, but also brown mascara. It's like, I could vibe with this. I feel like my eyebrows might need another coat of that concealer, and I don't know if I want to do eyeliner. I did want to have like a nice sharp inner corner, but now I'm just like, this looks good with outliner. So I don't know, let's do another coat on my eyebrows and see. Yeah, so I feel like brown lashes would have been extra cute. I don't think I'm gonna put falsies on. I think I'm gonna leave my natural lash. But I don't know what I want to do for lips. I don't know, like I've got thoughts. I'm like, I could do a red lip, I could do a black lip, I could do a nude glossy lip, which is what I do all the time now. Or I could do a gray outline. Alright, let's start by seeing how it would look if I just lined my lips in gray. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get concealer. Yeah, that's not it. That's not it for this look. Don't do red enough, so I'm thinking this is pencil liner, don't at me. Honestly, I feel like I'm probably just gonna end up going with them. You know what, a black lip wouldn't be bad, but I do want to look at what the red lip would look like. It's not bad. I definitely messed up on lining my lips, but it's not bad. I'm gonna try the black lip. I have like ruined this little nub of a lipstick because I use it so much, but I'm gonna stick with the black. I definitely think that maybe just outlined and glossy lip would probably look best, but like I haven't done a black lip in a while, so I feel like I'm gonna keep this black lip. I'm gonna do my hair and I will be right back. Alright, my loves, this is the final look. Oh, you can't even see the hair that good, but this is the final look. What do you think of the bleached brows? Because honestly, I don't hate them like I normally do when I do a bleached black brow. On myself. Yeah, they're not that bad. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you just feel about bleached brows in general, because I think some people just, there are some women just look so good with this bleach brow look, and I'm just trying to do it too. I'm just doing my best. But anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching, and you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.